Since I'm going to showcase Genie today, I decided to support Will Smith and bring my blue today. Come on man, give me those wishes. Hi there, my name is Flavio and welcome back to Dream It Model It. Today I bring you Genie from the animated movie Aladdin, not the jacked up version Will Smith from the live action movie. The new Aladdin movie is just around the corner and I decided to jump on the hype train and model Genie. I plan on doing more characters from the Aladdin universe like Aladdin himself, Jasmine, Yago, Abu, all of those iconic characters. Hopefully before the new movie gets out. But for now, it's Genie. I will also present to you how much filament I use and how much it costs to print a model like this one, so if later you decide to print this model, you already have this information. As always, I'm going to show you the entire process of creating this model, from the conception to having it in the palm of your hand. So, let's start with the modeling process. I usually start the modeling process by using these spheres to make the main shape of the character body, but for some reason I couldn't make it work on this model. I tried several approaches. I even decided to model different processes to make it work, but nothing felt right. So I decided to move away from the Z-spheres and go old school. So I imported a 3D sphere and started working on the main shape of the body, and finally, for some reason, it all started to click for me. From that point on, I got my groove back. In my opinion, the main feature of this character is the head. So to make this model look like the one we see in the movies, I knew I had to make it perfect. Like you probably know, Genie face is a cartoonist version of the great Robin Williams, so they gave emphasis to his face expressions like his bent nose. And these main details are the ones that really bring together the character that we want to model and make them stand out. As you are seeing in the video, I took the same time or even longer to model his face. The bent nose already shines some character into Genie's face, even without the ears, the beard and the eyes that usually bring the expression that we want to show. At this moment, honestly, it felt like I was modeling Robin Williams himself. To bring home the rest of the face, I used the move, inflate and snake hood tools to tweak certain parts like the cheeks and the forehead. I also inserted 3D spheres to create the ears, eyes and teeth. The eyebrows and the beard were made by using the mask tool to cover up the area where they should be placed and then extracting them to make them appear. With the face and the rest of the body done, I went and rendered this model to better get the idea of his final version. This model is an easy print, but does require a little bit of support, either from the top part and the bottom part. So be careful when removing the supports and get ready for some little sanding. Unfortunately, I don't have any videos to show you the printing process. I thought I pressed record on the camera, but well, I didn't. So sorry for that, and let's see the painting part. So there you go, a brand new genie to grant you 3 wishes. I was having problems modeling this character, as I said in the modeling part. I couldn't figure out the right shape from his body, but I powered through it and it started to look better and better, and I'm glad that I did because it turned out great. So pro tip, when modeling, never give up. So let's get with the stats. This model is 16 cm high, weighs 47 grams and took 5 hours to print. The filament I used was the Sunulu PLA Plus that costs 20 euros for 1 kilo, so overall this model costs to print 97 cents. So basically less than 1 euro. As always, I will leave the download link on the description along with the settings I use to print this character. I hope you enjoyed this video and please subscribe and like this video to keep up to date with my models and support this channel. Now a little tease of the next project, stay tuned for that. Thank you for watching and remember, dream on!